Hello, this is your teacher, Señora Leipor. Today you're going to be learning the section Gramática 1, capítulo 4. For this section, you're going to be learning the indefinite articles un, una, unos, unas. You're also going to be learning how to use cuánto, mucho, and poco. Also, you're going to be using tener in some tener idioms and the verb venir plus ala or alas plus time. First of all, the indefinite articles. In Spanish, we have four different indefinite articles. In English, it is translated as a or and before a singular noun. The indefinite articles can sometimes be left out, especially when the noun is plural. Some examples are: necesito un diccionario. ¿Tienes unos lápices? Spanish indefinite articles. They agree with the noun in gender and number. For example, the singular one is un libro, is also masculine. The indefinite article that is feminine and singular is una mochila. The plural is unos libros and unas mochilas. Also, you have to learn indefinite article like cuánto, mucho, and poco. To talk about amounts of things, use the following adjectives: cuánto, cuántos, mucho, muchos. So just look at the word, Spanish word, and the translation to be familiar with. We also going to learn about el verbo tener. Tener, to tell what someone has. To conjugate the verb, drop the er and add go. So, for example, you will say yo tengo. To conjugate all the other forms except for nosotros and vosotros, change the e on the stem to ie. Here it is. Present tense of tener. Yo tengo, tú tienes, usted, ella, él tiene. Nosotras tenemos, vosotros tenéis. Ustedes, ellos, ellas tienen. The present tense of tener and some tener idioms. Tener is also used in these common expressions. For example, tener que plus infinitive, meaning to have to do something. Tener ganas de plus infinitive means to feel like doing something. Tener prisa, to be in a hurry. Tener mucha hambre, to be hungry. Tener mucha sed, to be very thirsty. Another verb that you have to be careful and we are learning is venir. Venir means to come. In the present tense, its endings are like those of tener, except for the nosotros and vosotros forms. So it is conjugated: yo vengo, tú vienes, usted viene, nosotros venimos, vosotros venís, ustedes, ellas y ellos vienen. The verb venir plus a plus time. To say at what time something happens, put the preposition a before the time. For example, ¿a qué hora vienes al colegio? Vengo a las 8 en punto. ¿A qué hora es la clase de álgebra? Es a la 1 de la tarde. And those are going to be your activities from pages 124 through 129. Do activities 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 18 in your textbook. In your workbook, please complete pages 40, 41, and 42. Thanks.